Guys, please do buy this. I mean, it's most recommended right now because of the fragrance which I can, smell. Oh my god, it's amazing. So it is actually therapeutic. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shishta and I make beauty, skincare, fashion and travel videos. So today I'm here again with one more skincare brand. It's called eMegaMart, EMM. So this is the box they have sent me and they have curated it very smartly, and I really like the product inside because I have already checked it out. So you can visit them on emegamartindia.com. Let's check it out what all I have got inside. But before that, I would like to talk about the skincare or the regime which I follow. So basically, as the situation, as we all can see, the situation is really bad. COVID and everything. Most of the time, we like to, we prefer to be inside our houses. So at that time, what I do to detoxify myself is skincare. So, and this is the best time when you can do skincare. You are inside your house, you're not getting tan that much. So I guess this is the best time to do any skincare or to try out new skincare products. So the first product which I can, like, there are around 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 products, and the first product which I can see here is the face wash. It's Ethi Glow face wash. It's for skin whitening, deep cleansing facial foam, and it's paraben free. I really like products which are paraben free and SLS free because then I know that they are not doing any harm to my skin. So this is the face wash which I have received. The next product which I can see here is hyaluronic acid, and it's non-sticky, non-oily and non-comedogenic aqueous gel. So it's basically aqua based, which I can get from the outside packing. It's also paraben free, non-sticky, non-oily. So the best thing is that, because I feel in summers you don't like products which are sticky on your face or oily on your face. So yeah, this is that gel. Okay, so next product is Z Block sunscreen, which is SPF 50 plus. It's called zinc oxide sunscreen gel. So this is the product. The next thing which is here is Lip Z lip moisture. I feel apart from your skin, like, we all take care, we all do face wash, we apply lots of creams, we apply lots of scrubs, but what we tend to forget is our lips. We, I guess, give maybe 10% of care to our lips, and but lips are very important. When you apply lipstick, you can feel the difference when you have chapped lips or whatever. If you are applying moisturizer, if you are scrubbing your lips, then when you will apply lipstick, you will understand the difference. So here I got Lip Z lip moisturizer, which is again SPF 15. It rehydrates, heals and protects. So I guess this is again a very good product which they have sent me, because I'm gonna use it in winters also, I guess, if it works well on my lips. And the last thing which I can see here, oh, it smells so good, I can't tell you. It's chocolate scrub, and it's written caution, it's not edible, because trust me, the fragrance is amazing. I immediately want to eat it. So thank you for writing caution, it's not edible. So basically it's a chocolate scrub and it's for face and body, and it's written that it's therapeutic. We all know that chocolate is therapeutic to many people, for me also. So it exfoliates, polishes and brightens your skin. Okay, so first of all, thank you eMegaMart, EMM, for curating this box. I'm really liking it already. And thank you so much for sending these amazing 5 products. You guys can also shop from www.emegamartindia.com and you'll get amazing products. So let's go ahead and apply all of these on my face and let you know how it works. So for now, I have lots of makeup on my face, and I'm gonna remove the makeup and then apply every product. So for removing the makeup, I am going to remove it with wet wipe, because the makeup is waterproof, so I cannot remove it with just the face wash. So I will wipe it out and then gonna use all the products in a minute. So I have taken a very small amount of scrub because I have taken a lot of face wash, and I feel it lathers so well that you need not to take so much of face wash which I have initially taken. So a little bit of amount will also lather it very well. So while scrubbing, keep in mind that you don't forget your T-zone, because this area is something, you know, which requires scrubbing a lot. So also, if you have sensitive skin, avoid, you know, scrubbing it too hard. There are many people who have acne, who have pimples, or they have scarring on their face. So please avoid, you know, harsh scrubbing on your face, because then it will gonna, you know, hamper your skin. So moving ahead, let's scrub the T-zone. Starting, I always start from forehead and then my nose, because nose is one area which requires a lot of scrubbing in my case. So let's do it, and yeah. Okay, so I'm done with scrubbing, and all I can feel is my skin became really soft after it. So the next thing which we're gonna do is apply sunscreen, because it is very important even if you are inside your house. This thing here is very important. Don't forget to apply your sunscreen, because most of the time many people apply moisturizer but they leave sunscreen, and I would suggest that leave your moisturizer but never forget to apply sunscreen. So let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, again I have taken a lot of it. That's my habit, I take a lot of product. So oh my god, it's actually a lot. So let's apply the sunscreen. Okay, so the texture is really velvety, and it feels amazing on your skin. It doesn't feel oily at all, and I guess it has a matte finish also. I don't know, let me see. Yeah, so it also have a matte finish, and that is my second last step of skin routine. I would say I can make it a night skincare routine also. Okay, so the next thing which I'm gonna use is this lip moisturizer. This is the moisturizer, and let's apply it. Thank you for watching this skincare routine with me, and all these products are from eMegaMart. You can shop them from www.emegamartindia.com, and I really like all the products, and I really like how it felt on my skin, and I feel I'm gonna order few again. So let's see. And if you are new here, do subscribe me and follow me on Instagram, and if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in my next video.